Meliorism is a noun that refers to the belief that the world can be made better through human effort and progress. It reflects an optimistic philosophy rooted in the idea that improvement in society, individuals, and the world as a whole is possible and achievable through collective action and dedication. Origins of Meliorism. The word meliorism comes from the Latin root melior, meaning better. It emerged in the mid-19th century as a philosophical term to describe the view that human progress is not only possible, but also desirable. Unlike fatalistic or overly idealistic perspectives, meliorism occupies a middle ground between extreme pessimism and utopian optimism. How to use meliorism? Meliorism is often used in intellectual, philosophical or sociological discussions to describe a worldview or approach that emphasizes improvement and reform. Example sentences: her dedication to education. Reform stems from a deep sense of meliorism. Meliorism encourages us to believe that, despite challenges, positive change is within our reach. The novel's themes of social justice reflect the author's melioristic outlook. Set in meliorism in philosophy, meliorism contrasts with two other philosophical positions: pessimism, the belief that the world is inherently bad and unlikely to improve; optimism, the belief that the world is inherently good and will naturally improve. Meliorism, by contrast, is pragmatic. It acknowledges the existence of challenges, but maintains that deliberate human actions, such as social reforms, technological advancements, and ethical progress, can create meaningful change. Similar words and concepts: progressivism, advocacy for progress and reform in society; humanism, a belief in the value and agency of humans to shape their destiny; idealism, the pursuit of noble goals, often related to moral or societal improvement. Modern relevance. In today's world, meliorism underpins many movements for social justice, environmental sustainability, and technological innovation. It inspires individuals and organizations to strive for a better future, emphasizing that positive change requires effort and collaboration. Antonyms of meliorism: fatalism, the belief that all events are predetermined and inevitable, making human action futile; cynicism, distrust in human motives; and progress, despair, a complete loss of hope for improvement. Our key takeaway: meliorism is more than just hope, it's a call to action. It embodies the belief that the world, while imperfect, is not beyond repair, and that through commitment, effort, and collaboration, meaningful progress is possible. It's an empowering philosophy for anyone seeking to make a difference. Subscribe.